Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example on graphs of linear inequations. So here we have to draw the graph of the inequation y is less than 2x plus 1. So first, in order to draw the graph of the inequation y is less than 2x plus 1, we have to find the ordered pairs of the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1. So first let us find the ordered pairs of this equation with the help of a table. So here we have a table, and the first and second row gives the values for x and y, and in the third row we are going to write the ordered pairs for the values of x and y. So now let us assume the different values for x and find the y values. So if we take the x value as 0, then what would be the y value? We get here the y value just by substituting in the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1. So on substituting we get y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1. And on simplifying this equation we get 1 as the value of y. So then we get the ordered pair as 0, 1. And now let us assume the x value as 1. So we get here the y value as 2 into 1 plus 1. And here 2 into 1 time is 2 plus 1. And here 2 plus 1 would be 3. So we get here the next ordered pair as 1, 3. Now let us consider the x value as minus 1. Then we get the y value as y is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 1. So on multiplying 2 into minus 1, we get here minus 2 plus 1. And simplifying over here, we get minus 1 as the value of y. So let us write here the next order pair minus 1, minus 1 for the values of x as minus 1 and y as minus 1. And now let us consider the x value as minus 2. Then the y value would be 2 into minus 2 plus 1. That implies we get 2 into minus 2 as minus 4 plus 1. And here minus 4 plus 1 would come as minus 3. So we get here the next order pair as minus 2, minus 3. And now here let us consider a graph sheet and mark all these 4 order pairs. And we have considered the scale of x and y axis as 2 units. So here we have the first order pair as 0, 1. So as here we have the x coordinate as 0, we get a point on the y axis over here. And then for the next order pair 1, 3, we get a point over here in the first quadrant. And then let us mark the third order pair, which is minus 1, minus 1. We observe that both the values of x and y are negative, so this would be a point on the third quadrant somewhere here. Now let us mark a point for the next order pair minus 2, minus 3 over here. Now let us join all these points, so we get a straight line for the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1. So here this straight line is dividing the total plane into 2 half planes. Now let us specify the region in which the values of y lies. So in order to find out the region that is indicated by the graph, we have to know that the origin lies in which region. So let us substitute 0, 0, which is nothing but the ordered pair in the inequation y is less than 2x plus 1. So here on substituting we get 0 less than 2 into 0 plus 1, and this would come as 0 less than 0 plus 1. That implies we get here 0 less than 1, which is a true statement. That means we can say that the origin lies in the half plane represented by the graph. So let us shade this region, and here the boundary line does not lie in the half plane indicated by the inequation. As the boundary line is not included, so the region is indicated by the graph is shaded. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an example on the graphs of linear inequations. Hope you understood the concept. To like and subscribe to vitishacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.